ISA500 Application Overview. Today we will be discussing the ISA500 software. Begin by opening seaView and launching the ISA500 application. In the top left corner of the ISA500 application, we can see the distance reading provided in meters. Left-clicking on this reading will alternate the units from meters to feet. Below this is the energy and correlation bar. The yellow bar shows the total amount of energy received in a return ping. The green bar shows the portion of that energy which is correlated as a valid echo. Each time the ISA500 pings, the light in this box flashes. A green flash for an echo received, a red flash for no echo. Next to this is the temperature reading, provided in degrees Celsius. This reading is made from a temperature sensor which is embedded in the ISA500 connector end cap. If you have the optional AHRS sensor installed in the ISA500, you will also have heading, pitch and roll displayed on the screen along with a 3D model of the sensor. To tear the model to your frame of reference, place the ISA500 with the end cap north marker pointing towards the screen. Clicking the blue button will tear the model to this frame of reference. Clicking the red cross will remove the tear. Below the raw readings is a graph of distance on the y-axis versus pings on the x-axis. This graph will update for each valid echo received. At the base of this graph is a grey line. On the right hand side of this line is a pull-up tab. Clicking on this and pulling upwards will reveal the multi-echo graph. This graph will show the first echoes received by the ISA500 sensor. This can be useful for measuring multiple echoes within the same beam. Below the graphs are a row of buttons. The Connect button is used to configure the COM port the ISA500 is connected to, and to establish a connection to the ISA500. The ISA500 Gear Wheel button is used to configure the ISA500 sensor, acoustic settings, output strings, magnetic calibration, and so on. These settings are covered in detail in another video. The Ping button commands the ISA500 to transmit a ping. This is usually used to trigger the altimeter if it's not set to do so automatically. The Clear button will clear all past graph data. The View button will allow you to turn elements of the user interface on or off, depending on what you require on screen. The Logging button will turn logging on and off to a local directory on the host PC. The Output button will enable a string to be output from the PC to a third-party destination via an available COM port. To the right of these buttons, there is a status window. This provides details of the connected ISA500, along with any other relevant information. That concludes our ISA500 application overview. If you require any further information, please contact us via our website.